A South Carolina lawmaker is in jail tonight, facing nearly a dozen child sex abuse material charges, and he will remain there because the judge says he poses a danger to children.
Representative R.J. May, a Republican from Lexington County, made his first appearance in federal court today following his indictment and arrest. Investigators
say they found more than 200 files, including videos containing child sex abuse material on his Kick app account. On that app, they say he messaged, quote, other like-minded pedophiles to both distribute and solicit child sex abuse material.
The messages and descriptions of these videos were read aloud in court, but they are too graphic to repeat. Prosecutors say in some instances, May was engaging in these messages while conducting political and business work on the same phone.
They allege May also used another alias on Facebook through which he communicated with young women of an undetermined age in the nation of Colombia and traveled to the country 3 times to engage in paid sexual encounters with young women, which was videoed.
State House reporter Mary Green has been following this case since last year. She was there in court today and has the very latest.
State Representative R.J. May was arrested Wednesday outside his West Columbia home, booked into the Lexington County Detention Center, and made his first court appearance here in Columbia on Thursday morning. Per federal court protocol, no cameras or recording devices were allowed inside as May came before a federal judge for the first time. May now faces 10 counts of distribution of child sexual abuse material, charges that carry a maximum 20 years in prison. According to the U.S. Attorney's Office, the social messaging app Kick alerted the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children in April of 2024 of several videos containing child sex abuse material from the username Joe Biden 69. Investigators found at least 10 of those videos had been shared from that account and connected it to May's mobile device and his home IP address. Last August, federal Homeland Security investigations agents seized nearly 3 dozen devices from May, including cell phones, hard drives, and thumb drives, according to this unsealed court document filed in October. On Thursday, House Speaker Merle Smith suspended May without pay as required by state law. The third-term representative is a founding member and former vice chair of the hardline conservative South Carolina Freedom Caucus, which has been part of the effort to push the Republican Party in South Carolina further to the right.
I'm asking the question, Mr. Hyatt.
Until this year, May had been a vocal member of the House, frequently asking questions and speaking during floor debates, like this one on a bill concerning transgender procedures for minors in 2024.
We as legislators have an obligation to ensure that our children have no harm done to them.
But this year, after the investigation became public knowledge, May remained silent during debates, largely staying seated at his back corner desk throughout the year. He was marked present every day of the legislative session. Here's what he told us when we asked about the investigation and legislative session last December.
The people of District 88 elected me to do a job, and that's what I'm here to do. The people elected me to do a job, and I'll continue to do the job that I've done for the past 4 years.
And following a 2-hour arraignment and detention hearing, Judge Shiva Hodges ordered May remain in jail pending trial. Among other factors, she cited the weight of the evidence against him and the danger she believes he poses to his children and other children. Reporting in Columbia, I'm Mary Green.